So this comes with its own mount. We don't need it. This is kind of for a house mount. I don't want to pull that pin yet. And then this is made, this will go on your roll bar like so, and then your fire extinguisher will be here, and then you just pull it out of the way. So we're gonna get these smaller ones. Smaller ones wrapped around here. I'm hoping these are good hose clamps and not shitty ones, because I really don't want to deal with them breaking. I think they're decent though. They're pretty wide. They feel pretty stout. And it looks like they got a nice little roll to them on the edge, so keeps it in line when you tighten them down. Okay, so we're gonna scratch my cage a little bit. So, like I said, I want to be able to mount this so that the top of the rail, you can't see it. Oh, go ahead and cut this down, and I'm gonna go ahead. Just gonna touch that inner fender, so we're gonna rotate it a little bit, and then I want this down because I want to be able to see that gauge when I look in the truck. Remember, this has got to come up, so we're actually gonna have to raise that up a little bit. So I'm gonna say right there. I'll go ahead and snug that up. Bigger clamps here. So we're gonna go like so, and then let's see, we wanna bring this around. So what's nice is you can, with the hose clamps, it is actually for like a razor, but the hose clamps make it nice because you can put on adjustable, well, not adjustable, but you can put it on really any size tubing you want. And you can mount a little bit bigger fire extinguisher too if you wanted. And then the other thing I want to do is I want to make sure, make sure the gauge is up, and then I want to make sure that everybody can read that just in case. That way, in the event of an emergency, which we're good. This is it's a dry chemical. I wanted the CO2 one. I could not find one that was reasonable. Pretty much, I wanted to buy it in a kit, and I couldn't find a kit that was under like $500. And I realize it's a safety thing, but I'm buying it in case of a fire. I'm not racing this thing every day, so I couldn't see myself spending all the money. So if we got a fire, boom, comes right off. Okay, that sounded pretty good. It's gonna make a little noise. And I think actually we're gonna move it down because it's a little bit high yet with the outside of the truck. Okay. And I wish it was a little bit higher. If I was running a full-size truck, I think that'd be good. One of my biggest worry I have is, for me, I know where it's at. I can get to it. If I go to, let's say I go to a race that, because I'm setting this up for my size. If I go to a race and somebody's not my size and they're trying to help and they can't reach it, that's gonna suck. So I want to make this easy within reason. Kind of bend that hose clamp around a little bit. And then to being the nozzle or discharge, whatever you want to call it, if I wash the truck, I don't have to worry about water getting in it. I could always just pull it off and do what I got to do. But say I hit a big mud puddle or whatever, I don't have to worry about it spraying up inside. So there we go. One more thing done.